Jack comedy. You know, see, I'm the best comedy in the world. You know what? Right now, I'm one of the best comedy in the world. You know, see, a lot of time, you know, see, I was talking. There was a lot of things that happened to me. You know, see, I was talking to Bush. You know, see, I said I talk to Bush. A lot of people, you know, see, you got Bush, Haitian. When you say Bush, Bush mean muff and Creole. You know, say I say I'm talking to Bush, but a lot of people they say no, you can't say that because he's in president of the United States, all kind of crap. I say I talk to him. I say Bush, come here. I say you know we talk, we dialogue. You know, say I say a lot of things to Bush. You know, say I say the thing, the war. You know, say need to be stopped. I say that. You know, say no, you can't talk political. Why I can't talk political? You know, say I'm a political show. I'll do a lot of political. I say Obama is gonna be the next president of the United States. I say that even they try to do magui. They can do mago. You know, say they try to do everything they can do. You know, say I always see it in my dream. I see the guy. You know, say I see a lot of people voting for him. You know, say he won all this, most of the state. So therefore, I'm here to make a lot of big things happen. I'm the kind of guy, you know, say who see a lot of things. I dream every day. In my dream, I dream every day. So I dream every single day. There's no day that passed through I don't dream. 2006, there was a time, you know, say I was dreaming a lot. Even though I see alien, I see people, I see it, you know, say they think I'm joking. I'm not joking, man. You know what I mean? I'm not joking. I see the alien, you know, say I see it. So what? I see it. They exist. You know, say a lot of people they don't want you to know of things like that. They don't want to scare you. But I see the guy. I see, but they cool people, man. They don't want to do nothing. They cool people. They say, Jack, don't worry. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna walk with you, man, because we like you. We've been watching you since you were a kid. So I said, don't problem, alien. You know, say I'm gonna walk with you to whatever you want. You know, say, but don't fuck with, don't mess with me because I say God to help me. You know, say they're cool people, man. I say, please don't kill me, don't do nothing to me. I say, no, we're not gonna do nothing. We're good people. We're good people. But every time they try to come to the USA, to the United States, to try to come to the earth, you're making people shoot. Fuck them up. They want to come. They don't see those people, man. They're invisible. You don't see them. They don't want you to see it. But the movie, there are a lot of times. That's why I do computer animation. I make a lot of big things. I want them to see that. The Transformer. I was in the movie Transformer. Okay. Check me out on Jacktv. Jacktv. This is a lot of things. You know, say I got this television station online. You know, say to everybody to see me all over the world. So this is one of the best TV in the world. Jacktv. Stay tuned.